So today I'll be showing you how I make my healthy cabbage stew. The major ingredients we'll be needing, we'll use cucumbers, cabbages, scotch bonnet which I blended, onion rings. I'm using fish chunks as well, then tomato, pepper, carrots, green peas, and some eggs. So start by putting the pot on heat and then you add your oil. I'm using palm oil. Then I add my onion rings and almost immediately I added the fish chunks as well. I stir the onion and fish chunks and I let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes depending on the level of the heat you have on. So I fry the fish chunks till I feel like it's dried enough. Then it's time to add all my diced ingredients. There's actually no limitations to these ingredients though. I used green peas, carrots, some tomatoes and pepper. You can actually add other ingredients. You can use sweet corn, you can use red kidney beans, depends on how you want it. There's actually no limitations to these ingredients. Now add salt and seasoning cubes to your taste, and also you can add turmeric powder. If you do not have turmeric powder, you can use curry powder. I actually prefer using turmeric because it gives my meal a nice color and taste. As a typical Nigerian woman I am, I actually kept scotch bonnet aside blended because I like my meals spicy, so I added little more blended scotch bonnet to my meal and I continue to stir. After letting the carrots and peas cook for some time, it's time to add my cucumbers and cabbages almost at the same time. I do not add this while I started cooking because the carrots and the peas are actually much more stronger than the cucumbers and the cabbages. And while eating cabbage stew, the fun of it is to actually have your cucumbers and cabbages a bit crunchy. You don't want to have the cabbages melting in your mouth while you are eating rice or macaroni or whatever you're eating your cabbage stew with. Adding cinnamon to your cabbage stew is totally optional. Not everybody likes cinnamon in their meals, or most people are allergic to cinnamon. Do not worry, your cabbage stew will still taste nice with or without cinnamon. Now it's time to add your eggs. Just add the eggs without stirring first. You just add the eggs and you cover the pot for about a minute. Then when you open the pot, this is when you can actually stir, and you can see we already have the eggs in lumps. So just stir for about a minute and your cabbage stew is ready. You can add onion rings to your garnishing, but I'm not a raw onion person, so I let that slide. I prefer cucumbers. While I was watching this video, I actually noticed this plate was dancing and waiting for me, as you can see on the video. So that's the end for my signature cabbage stew. You can enjoy it with rice, with spaghetti, with noodles, with plantain, or even if you want to enjoy it like that. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because that's how YouTube knows you actually enjoyed the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. Until next time, I remain Iruo Sasha. Thanks for watching and stay glued to my channel.